In this video, we will talk about 4 simple habits for a happy life that have often been talked about by Sister Shivani. Namaste. I am Gargi and you are watching The Aligned Souls. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul. We are working on a course on mindfulness and meditation. If you are interested, please fill your details in the form given in the description and we will inform you once it's ready. Number 1. Sleep early and wake up early. This is something that we all know, but her main point is that the morning time is the best time for everything. Whether you want to study or meditate or journal or any other practice. First, there is no disturbance as everyone is asleep. Second, we are yet to get into the daily grind because once the day starts, the activities take over and there is no time to sit in peace. And even if we try to sit, then all sorts of things from the day will come in our head. And then there are larger benefits of Brahm Muhurat when the cosmic energy is the highest. When I was in school and college, I used to wake up at 4 and study. Whatever I studied at that time, I used to remember it very easily and in no time at all. You can give it a try if you are a student. The other point that Sister Shivani emphasizes is that sleeping early is the key to waking up early. Number 2. Start your day with gratitude. As soon as we wake up, what do? We reach out for our phone. Be it to check the social feed or news or work mails or whatever. Sister Shivani said that the information we feed our mind in the morning lays the foundation for the quality of thoughts we will have throughout the day. If we absorb these messages first thing in the morning, then our emotions will be like that. We will be angry, tensed, stressed throughout the day and then act impulsively. She suggests that we should refrain from checking work emails, news, messages or social media for at least an hour upon waking up. All these activities can wait unless there is an emergency. As soon as you wake up, sit up straight for at least 5 minutes, alert and awake, and then offer gratitude for whatever life has blessed you with. Love and gratitude are the only emotions we want as we start the day. They should be our first thought. Number 3. Charge your food and water. Food and water absorb energy. They draw their energy from the surroundings. Food even absorbs energy from the person who is preparing the food. Before consuming food or drinking a glass of water, take 10 seconds to energize them. You can do so by saying a small prayer or making a resolution. That is a sankalpa. I have made a couple of videos to explain this in more detail. I have put the links in the description below. Number 4. Operate with service mindset. For most of us, our prayer and our work are separate. We have a corner in the house where we sit and pray, or we go to a place of worship and then we go about our day doing our work. There is no connection between the two. Let me explain this with an extreme example. You must have seen that in some movies, the gangster prays to God in the morning and then goes about hurting people throughout the day. Sister Shivani says that if we really worship God, then we have to be a karma yogi. In other words, we should do our day-to-day work as if it's a service to God. So we do that with love, respect and kindness because our work itself is divine. It can be our office work or managing home or taking care of the kids or whatever we do. You might wonder how this works, but trust me on this one. If you can even do a fraction of this, you will feel so much calm and happiness inside. And if there was just one thing that you could do to be always happy, then I would suggest that you watch this video. Thanks a lot for watching and do subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul.